NTCL lost 20.21% in the regular session of yesterday, the 18th of June 2025, since the 6th of May when it ran up the highs of around 80% on its, it ran up to the highs of around $80 on its 4-hour chart intraday. It has since lost 98% going by the intraday values. On its daily chart, it closed on that day at a high of around $33. So it has since lost 95%. So has given up everything, almost everything. That's not out of place. There was a relentless expansion to those sort of levels, and maybe there wasn't any justification for those, and has since contracted. And lower prices, I want to believe, may continue to print. I can't exactly say surely because I don't have any extrapolations on this daily chart. So we have here an upper projection of 41.53. The algos are still insisting that there's a good chance it could still do what it did in early May. So 41.53, but we can't rely on that at all. You can't rely on that. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart here, there's the same dissipation, the same contraction of that expansion. This expansion it's what's been contracted. So this is let's see what we have. We have downward projections, nothing upwards here. We have 1.35, 0.6891, 0.2809. Let's see now. Let's have a look at the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, we have, yes, same downward projections, nothing upwards. Okay, here we have extrapolations. Let's see what they're saying. We have extrapolation of the price. Okay, so it's insisting, it's saying that the bottom has printed, that we are going to see high prices print. This is the extrapolation of its 3 period moving averages. 3 period moving average. So high a V rebound is expected to kick in. As a matter of fact, it actually kicked in the post market session of yesterday. So it's it recovered some of the losses it printed. It printed the lows of around 1.09. So it did recover some of those losses. We have high prices extrapolated going all the way towards the highs of around 2.85. This is expected to remain in place up till Thursday, the 26th of June. You can rely on that as well. You can't rely on that. These are just extrapolations. Let's see now. And there are no upper projections. No upper projections. We can apply the. We can apply the momentum price pressure momentum indicator to see if we can validate what we have here, whether there's any validation with regard to that. Okay, so we have yeah. What do we have? We have, I think so. We have the algos are suggesting, yes, that a swift rebound is likely to occur. You can see that it's going up. Um, yeah, but we can rely on that as well too. Okay, let's see the values. The values are all negative. They're all very negative. The ppm one is seriously in a severe bearish trend. And then the derivatives are confirming that yes, it is. But also we have the second derivative. It's still negative, but it's yes, indicating that it's the bearish tendency is dissipating. Validating that maybe we may have that. We may indeed have that rebound. Yeah. So let's look at the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour chart, what do we have? Yeah, we have the same sharp V rebound. Sharp, yeah, V rebound. We have going all the way towards Friday the 20th of June, and we have 192, 1.92, and then after that, there might be a rejection there. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have 2.3, 2.43, 2.52. Let us look at the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, we have the same rebound as well. The price pressure momentum is validating that as well. Validating that there's a good chance we might see a rebound, a sharp rebound. 1.55 is what is expected to print the peak of this rebound. Upper projection is 1.62, just slight upper projection. Yeah, the market is not trading, so but we can still have a look at these single minute charts. Um, let's see what the projections are saying here. 1.32, 1.50, 1.51. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. We have some upper projections all the way towards 1.51. Below that 1.50, there's also down projections 1.04, 0.8452, 0.7248. Yeah. So, well, given that the stock is not exactly following or tracking the broader market, who knows? It may well print a strong rebound. Yeah, and I think it was on the 4 hour chart that we saw that we saw. Where did we see it again? We saw no, it was on the daily chart. We saw $41 or thereabout. Yes, it was on this, 41.53. But you obviously can't rely on that. There's absolutely no guarantee that it's going to print 41.53. Yeah, so yeah, so the stock has given up all the gains it ran up. I think that's not out of place naturally. Naturally, they will. I mean, these are not these are dodgy stocks. So at some point they will give up the gains they ran up. They has done so. If you want to buy the deep, or if you think there's an opportunity to, it has provided an opportunity to buy the deep. Just be careful. Yeah, it's up to you though. So see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.